To remove the engine, use buds to relieve the fuel pressure. Remove the negative battery cable. Remove the engine cover and deck extension. Refer to the correct procedure to remove the intake air silencer. Remove the muffler strap. Remove the clamp securing the muffler. Move the muffler back out of the way. Remove the air inlet hose from the throttle actuator. Remove the air outlet hose from the supercharger. Remove the cooling hoses that go to the ride shoe heat exchanger. Refer to the correct procedure to remove the jet pump. Remove all 3 stick coils and spark plugs. Install the drive shaft wrench onto the flats of the floating ring. The drive shaft wrench must be held to keep the floating ring in position when the drive shaft is being turned. Using the drive shaft adapter and breaker bar, turn the drive shaft clockwise to install it. The drive shaft has left-hand threads. Turn the drive shaft a full 8 turns to disengage it from the floating ring. Remove the drive shaft. Disconnect the 3 ground bolts at the front of the engine, above the motor mount. Disconnect all the electrical connectors connecting the hull wiring harness to the engine. Refer to the correct procedure to remove the intake manifold. Remove the motor mount bolts. There are 2 at the rear and 1 in front. Attach an engine lifting strap to the lifting hooks and raise the engine about halfway out of the hull. Remove the 2 cooling hoses going to the exhaust manifold. Remove the main ground wire on the port side of the engine. Remove the starter cable. Finally, lift the engine completely out of the hull.